In last week's episode of our travel vlog, you witnessed how we totaled our Airstream and moved into our new Lance trailer. We're still traveling the United States full time, but now we're just happy that we have a Slideout. In this week's episode, we'll show you our best boondocking and free camping spots in South Florida, and we'll take you on the Keys where we show you our favorite food spots. Stay tuned. Our Slideout is making weird noises. Oh. And it was not fully coming in yesterday. But first, good morning. This is our new boondocking place for the night, or this was our place for the night. Some people stay here for 30 days, even if the parking lot has a no overnight parking sign. And some parking control guy told us we could stay. That's our view. I'm still tired, but it was worth it to wake up so early. On today's plan is visiting the warm mineral hot springs. It's actually the only hot springs in Florida, or the hottest. And the creepy part about that, it's just a tiny hole where you can swim in, and in the middle, this thing is 200 feet deep, or almost 200 feet deep. I scared someone away. And the water is replacing itself every 2 hours. So much water is coming out of the earth there. Are you excited? And
Still a little tired.
And we're going to an organic, or I don't know if it's fully organic, but a farmer's market with some organic stuff first. And then we'll have a nice boondocking spot later this evening. First things first, I'm hungry, let's go to the market.
Yes, please.
Also, maybe we are not going to the hot mineral springs, I'm sorry, but you need to go there because we gave you that tip. Because right now we are really close to Minnesota Beach, which is famous for shark teeth. You can find many shark teeth there, and that's something I really want to do.
Same.
So maybe that's the plan for today. Someone just gave us a huge sample piece of gluten-free pizza and it was so good.
Because we were so hungry.
Yes.
Still are, honestly.
Over there it's a German snack bar, have you seen it?
Yep.
He will tell you if it's real German food.
I have gluten-free currywurst. Avocado sandwich. And they're using rolls instead of like actual German bread. I'm not convinced. One lemonade, please. Yep.
There's only $3. Because sorry, $5 all.
Oh, that's a good one.
This is a gluten-free empanada. I forgot what's in there. Something. Beef.
It's super hot.
More tasty. Mine.
The organic farmers market was great, but it was way too hot. Was it?
It was pretty hot, yeah.
I'm sweating. And of course it's right now way too hot to go into a hot spring. So we're driving to the ocean because there we'll have a breeze and we will be looking for shark teeth and we can go for a swim even if the water is so cold. The problem we're gonna have is that we need to find a parking lot where we can park the RV.
We initially told you we were going to warm springs, then it was too warm to go into warm springs and we wanted to go to the beach to collect some shark teeth. But the beach was completely hit by a hurricane, which we were kind of unaware of. So there's no parking available, no beach going, and now we are headed to the warm springs to be too warm. Chaos, as every day.
We were searching for parking spots for about 20 to 30 minutes and now we just gave up. So.
Yeah, at some point we had to turn around because we couldn't fit through the roads with our RV anymore.
So it's hot springs now, as I told you before. So quick update on the hot spring part. We ended up taking a hot shower on our RV, an outside shower in the sun. We arrived 1 hour prior to closing. You need to leave half an hour before they close, and they wanted to let us in for half an hour and wanted to have 40 bucks for that for the two of us. I don't want to pay 40 bucks for half an hour swimming in sulfur stinking poop water, and their showers are broke, so we wouldn't have been able to take a shower there. So now we just passive aggressively decided to take our own shower outside of their property and just tent laying here in the sun with our towels. That was fun. I'm sorry that we didn't swim through this 200 feet deep giant hole. I'm sorry. Next time. After this highly unadventurous day, our next adventure took us to the Keys, and I promise this time we'll show you around. We just arrived on the Keys and the sun is setting. We're having a camp spot at John Pennecamp State Park, and we are going to do a boondocking reset there. There it is. John Pennecamp State Park. Whoa. What was that?
I don't know.
Ah, maybe these things where you drive over and they will pop your tires if you drive the wrong direction.
There's still someone there. No, it was just the gate mechanism, I think. Hey man!
Hello.
We've got a reservation for site 11.
Side 11?
Yep.
Okay.
Give me 1 second. It will be somewhere. Got it here.
We have a huge mass of laundry to do, and he just explained us where we can find the laundromats. And our site is located here at the water, and the laundromats are right
Do we have quarters?
there. I don't think we have enough quarters.
Where are they?
They must be there. There are.
That doesn't feel like much.
Oh fuck. I mean, we have some quarters. I'm not sure how much is it. Do you know how much it is?
I think 175.
175 is quite cheap.
There's something in here too.
Let me have a look. Maybe we might return to the office and get some quarters. Okay, let me check and count.
175 it is.
Oh, yeah, we have one machine and I'm not even sure if we have a dryer with this.
What again?
Do you have quarters, like a $10 roll of quarters for the laundromat? Or do they take credit cards?
That I don't know if they take credit cards. I know that we do not have the quarters.
All right.
Quarters are at the dive shop, and the dive shop is closed for the day.
Okay.
We'll do that tomorrow.
We'll do that tomorrow. Awesome, thanks man.
Okay, that's our site. Looks cozy. Bit close to everyone, but that's fine. This guy over there is carrying laundry. Maybe the machine is empty now. Shall I sprint over?
You should actually do that.
Really?
Yeah.
And I desperately need a shower too. We were running out of water in the last week and I haven't showered in 4 or 5 days, I guess, and it's fucking nasty. Oh man, let's check out the showers together. Campground showers are mostly gross. So here we have the washing machines, that's great. And they are both empty. Wow, was that a sponge?
Yep.
Okay, we didn't have time to go to IKEA yet, and we need a huge laundry bag and some other stuff, and we're not always like this, you know?
Don't keep the door open because there's a bunch of no-see-ums.
I know you have just like seen us like this, but we can be organized and tidy up stuff, but not yet. Laundry is $3.50 and I just brought $1.75 because TJ lied to me. And I'm getting eaten by mosquitoes. Are you kidding me? Okay. Good morning, you guys. I finally had my shower and we washed everything and we're finally getting ready to head out. We are late as always. Oh, by the way, did we tell you that at our new boat trailer the Slideout isn't working? It's eating out the lining where the motor passes by. So we'll have an appointment in Fort Myers in, I guess, 3 weeks, and we need to stay south for all that time here in Florida. We're still stuck in Florida. We just bought this thing. It's from 2022 and the Slideout is fucked, and they said at Airstream, they said it's fine. It's normal that it sounds like that. And then we went to another location of theirs and they were like, ah, no. I'm so glad that this time we have a guarantee or a warranty and they will cover that. But I'm just fed up at this point. I don't want to wait anymore. I want to go west. I want to see more than Florida. I mean, don't get me wrong. Florida is beautiful and we're enjoying this right now super much. But I'm fed up with problems. So let's have a great day today and I will stop thinking about that now. Okay, full concentration mode now. I wanna get my shrimps. I'm not sure if this is the correct way to go there. Here they are, our shrimps. Over there we have rice and beans. The one thing that sucks is that you're sitting close to the street, but that's fine.
The beans are already pretty good.
Try the shrimp.
Try the shrimp.
I want to see this shrimp.
Do you think some Noseans like us better than other people because we are gluten-free?
What? Good morning, it's the second day at our beautiful campsite here and TJ is installing something pretty important in our truck.
Oh, are you talking to me?
Yes.
It's a ladder rack.
That's a ladder rack where we can install our subs because our subs just arrived. And today we are going to Key West to snorkel and to sup around, to go check out some restaurants. And we need that. But we're leaving in 1 hour, so you have exactly 1 hour left to build that thing. Okay. Okay. Finally arrived. Look how gorgeous these houses are. There you are.
I'm hungry.
I think it's free parking. Look at this huge flag over there. So that's our lunch spot for today. Let's check it out. Cacao nips. $7. The food looks so yummy, but one thing I don't get.
There you go.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Is why organic restaurants use plastic forks and knives. Look at that. The whole thing is organic. You pay triple the price than anywhere else, and then you get this. Wow.
I think it's just not in people's minds yet. Yes.
I don't get it.
Me neither.
That was a mess, but it was so tasty. So this place was nice. The food was so delicious. I don't usually like tofu or tempeh, and the tempeh here was so good. 1 minus point for the plastic cutlery, but that's fine. Is it?
Ask for turtles.
Is it though? We bought some organic cotton tea bags, a cheesecloth and shampoo because we were showering with just a normal block of soap for the past weeks and this sucked.
Want to take a seat? Feel it?
Yeah.
All right.
Holy. good and galettes were good, sorry. And now we are off to our next spot, Fort how do you...
Zachary Taylor?
Zachary Taylor? Zachary? Zachary Taylor. Taylor. I'm looking forward to chill at the beach, but we forgot our sunscreen, so we will burn. I mean, I have a small sunburn already. And we are going to paddleboard, so that's nice. Maybe I'll just leave this on and make it saltwatery filthy, but there are some things you need to do. We're not going to Fort Zachary because it's full and it's expensive, so we're now...
It's not full, but full-ish.
And we're now driving to a beach 50 minutes from here, which is a much bigger beach. You're the
Oh shit!
Now it's fine. Some shade and some sun. We didn't go paddleboarding, or
We did?
It was so windy that we basically flew away. So we just went for a swim, but that was beautiful. TJ is changing in the car. That's a very European thing to do.
I think that's very illegal in the US actually.
Say goodbye to the beach. And say hello to John Pennecamp Coral Reef State Park, where we snorkeled at John Pennecamp Reef on the open ocean. Unfortunately, there were only fan corals still alive. Almost all of the stone corals were already dead, and the saddest part about this is that 99% of Florida's coral reefs died in the past years. We still had some fun and just made the best out of it. I wanted to dive down a couple of times, but my swim vest had other plans. Next week's episode will be all about Miami. We'll meet up with our friends Daniela and Jalen, and we will go to the Coconut Grove Farmers Market together. And TJ and I will paddleboard to Sandspur Island, which is also known as Raccoon Island. Thanks for watching this video. See you in the next episode.